American biscuits, it's one of those things that a lot of Aussies don't know exactly what they are, but once you do, it's something you'll never forget. So these are a southern specialty in America, and a lot of people say that they're like scones, but I actually don't believe in that at all. They're flaky and buttery. They're not crumbly like a scone is. So how would you use these biscuits? We like them, of course, because they're savory. Believe it or not, Americans eat them as a breakfast food. For me, I prefer maybe more like brunch or lunch or dinner because it's a bit heavy for me for breakfast. They like to put sausage gravy over them, and we have a really great recipe for biscuits and gravy in SkinnyAmerica. I think they also go really, really well as kind of like an alternative to dumplings on pot pies and casseroles that you bake in the oven. And you can just open them up and eat them as is, or use them for sandwich bread too. I think there's so many uses for these really delicious, flaky, buttery biscuits, and I can't wait to hear what you all think of them.